Welcome, you're watching Bogger's Overland Adventures. Today we're going to try something new. We haven't done it before. We had a company, TCEK or TCEK, reach out to us and asked us if we'd like to do a review on one of their chairs. So we said yes, and they sent us a Riselite chair. We hope you enjoy the video. One of our first reviews of an actual brand new product. We haven't opened the box. Kind of looks like maybe we had, but TCEK. I'm not sure how they pronounce it, whether it's just TCEK or
TCEK, I believe.
TCEK or sorry guys. Anyway, TCEK. This is the Riselite. This is the first time we've opened it. Anyway, very light, easy to pack around, take it with you on a hike, whatever. You're going down to the beach, throw it over your shoulder. Very light. Let's take a look. Ta-da! You know how I am with directions. Yeah, looks like nice material. Good quality material. Nylon. Very well packaged. Got a little strap around it, Velcro. See how this works.
Oh, it's part of the chair.
There's that. Opens up like so. Interesting. Very well made. I mean,
Wow.
check this out. Heavy duty metal. I guess these just pull out like so. I think the ones in the back pull out twice. Nice thing right off the bat is that the posts, you don't have to. Other chairs you gotta mess around with sticking the posts in the holes and all that kind of stuff. But I'm liking this.
Or folding the things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Folding it all
The
up,
magnet.
put it in a pack. Got a nice vent here for circulation, air circulation, for your back and your butt. From what I've seen, I mean, look at these gears and stuff in here. I think you press this and you got to watch out for your fingers. There's an intermediate spot right there. Might have to read the directions after all. But the claim to fame on this guy is it's 2 different height positions. I am liking the workmanship, the design. It's pretty cool. I do like how heavy duty it seems. We'll sit in it here in a second, but craftsmanship and all that is really nice. These feet look like they wouldn't dig into sand as much as some of the other chairs do. Pretty nice. I'm going to take a look at the directions. Press this click button to achieve level 2 height adjustment. Do not put your fingers into the gap. So, could get your finger pinched, I guess, but I didn't see that as a problem. I'm not getting the second height figured out yet. Let's see what we can do. I mean, maybe this is not one. Maybe, oh, there we go. Okay, so you got that, which is super stable. And then there is your other position. So we'll set it over here, take a seat, and see the different height adjustment. I guess one thing I could say as far as an adjustable height would be if you were at a concert or something and that dude that comes and sits in front of you with a cowboy hat and you can't see. You could adjust yourself a little bit higher.
Good point.
And see over his hat. Or maybe if you're sitting at a table or something like that where you want to be a little taller, that would be helpful. I'm looking at it in terms of what is the difference in height, you might ask. There's
I'd
that.
say 4 inches.
Yeah, 3, 4
4.
inches, something like that. Might be just enough to see over that person. You never know. Let's take a seat and I'm 5'11".
175.
5'11", 190. Let's see. Let's have a seat. Actually quite comfortable. Sitting like this at the river's edge is really nice. So I'm going to fold this up and see what it takes to fold up. Push the buttons. That one, that one. There, there. There. Press this button, and man, that's pretty sweet. And the big test of everything we buy, it doesn't actually fit back in the bag. Off we go. Let's try it out down by the river, shall we? Let's say you wanted to park it by the river. Bring it on down to the river. Somebody else is grabbing your beer. Look at that. Just a few seconds. Nice chair.
You're all right.
Very comfortable. Somebody rings the dinner bell. Everyone gets there first. I take cheese on my burger.
I do like this chair.
Do you?
It feels really sturdy. Like if you lay, if you're leaning back, you don't feel like you're going to tip over.
We hope you enjoyed the video. Check out the description for a discount code and a link to Amazon where you can pick one up. Thank you for watching.